After that, ano na kayo?
Who's winner? Who's
Oh, you winner. Oh, sino yung lose?
Jeremy, Rafa, come
Yeah, lose. Sige, sige. Go together.
Jeremy, Rafa, come
Okay. Warm up muna kayo ng rolling ball. You'll be given one ball only. You form one line, tapos mag-roll muna kayo. Warm up. Go to the field. Go to the field. Get your teammates. Roll lang ha, roll. Some of you are doing this. Like that. Look at the elbows and look at the shoulders. Hindi pantay. Dapat align. Yan. Ganyan. Right. Oh, yours is a little lower. Kailangan taas. Yan. Shoulder level. Shoulder level ng elbow. Look at that. Straight line. Yan. Ganyan. So yun. Super high naman yun. No? Look at you. Shoulder, elbow. 1, 2, 3. Throw. Clear? Ano tayo? Two groups. Ang tuturuan ko nito, yung mga device. Mga bago. Kayong group na kayo, ikaw, partner, you'll start with seated position. Hindi na kayo. Seated. Mas pwedeng left yung B. Yan! One. Yan. 1, 2, 3, and roll. Okay, 2. Taas to ah. 1, 3, then when you turn to. Okay, you gotta turn your hips. 3.
Oh guys, line out! Kayo na next!
Sino next na? Yan, ikaw na. Wag mo taas ang shoulder, tapos elbow. 1. Tingin doon. 2, 3, turn and throw. Go! How do you hold one? Hey, there we go. Alright, ganyan.